So real quickly, I'll show you the parts of the piano. What you have here is you have a pin, and that pin attaches to a string, and that string has a certain cutoff point that determines its length, so it kind of tells you what frequency you're going to get. And there's different density strings, so here are some thicker ones, and then as you move over you get even thicker and thicker, all the way down to the really nil notes. And as you tighten them, it's going to increase the tension, it's going to change the speed of the wave in there, so it'll change the pitch slightly. And then attached to that is the soundboard, so as these strings vibrate, a string vibrating doesn't give off a lot of sound, but the soundboard itself will vibrate with it, and that's really what amplifies the sound out to what you can hear. Any instrument's going to have three basic parts. It's going to have something to make noise, it's going to have something that selects the correct pitch, and then it's going to have something to amplify the sound. So for the piano, the hammer hitting the string here is what's making noise. So as that hammer hits, a series of vibrations goes through the string, and then the length of the string selects out the note that you want to hear, or the piano selects out, I guess, not the one that you want to hear, but we've set it up so that it sounds pleasing. And then the rest of the piano, the soundboard, will vibrate with it, and that's what creates the rest of the sound. Now keep in mind that when you play these notes, you're not just creating one note. This hammer hitting this creates a series of frequencies, and a lot of them get selected out, and we call those overtones. So when I play the C here, I believe that's 512 Hertz approximately, but that 512 Hertz is not the only frequency you're hearing. You're also going to hear double and triple and quadruple that, and to varying degrees, and that mixture of sound is called timbre. It's how you determine what you're hearing. So your ear hears a lot of the note above, and then maybe a decent chunk of the fifth after that, and that tells you, oh, that's a piano. Whereas another instrument, you might hear a lot of those two notes, and that might tell you that you're listening to a wind instrument or something else.